So hi! Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba mag-save ng mga photo or images sa ating Facebook Lite. But first, kindly subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And if you want to learn more, just keep on watching and let's start. So ayan guys, for today's video, i-open lang natin ang ating Facebook Lite or yung ating Facebook Lite account. Then pagka-open guys, mula dito sa pinakang homepage, pumili lang tayo ng photo na gusto nyong isave sa inyong mobile phone. So for example is dito na lang kukuha sa aking timeline. So ayan guys, pipili lang ako dito ng picture or photo na gusto kong isave sa aking mobile phone. So for example is ito na lang. I-open nyo lang yung photo or image na gusto nyong isave. Then hanapin nyo yung 3 horizontal dots na nandito sa upper right corner katulad nito. And may magpa-pop up na options guys. So hanapin nyo lang dito yung save button. So ito yung itsura nya. Tap nyo lang yung save. And automatic guys, photo save to mobile phone. So ganun lang kasimple guys kung paano nga ba mag-save ng photo galing sa Facebook Lite papunta sa ating mobile phone. So for example is dito tayo kukuha sa ating news feed. So pili lang kayo guys dito ng picture na gusto nyong isave. So for example is ito na lang. Ganun din, open nyo lang yung photo. And then hanapin nyo yung 3 horizontal dots. Then, tap nyo yung save button. Automatic nakasave na siya sa ating mobile device. So, ayun lang guys. Ganun lang kasimple kung paano ba mag-save ng mga photos sa ating Facebook Lite. If you have a question, can you comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And, thank you for watching!
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay.